Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we learned the renewable resources. What are they? We learned that one: air, water, sunlight, wind, and forest. The next renewable resources is animals. What? Animals. Yesterday we learned the forest provide us. What are they? What they provide us? Wood, furniture, food, medicines, gum, perfumes, and other material things. And the plants are release the oxygen. That oxygen we breathe it. Okay. Today we learn the animals. This also a natural renewable resources. This also a renewable resources. So the animals. See this one. Animals provide us with a food like milk, eggs, and meat, and other things like a wool and leather. See, animals provide us what they provide. We know that milk. Hana, we get a milk from the animals, and egg and meat, and then the like a wool and leather also. Okay, so we get a milk, we get a egg, we get a meat and a leather and wool. Okay, see, they are also sometimes used as a means of transport in hilly areas and desert. These animals we use in hilly areas and desert for journey. है ना, हम लोग जर्नी करने के लिए, ट्रैवलिंग करने के लिए वी यूज द एनिमल्स इन हिली एरिया एंड डेजर्ट. ओके, सी द नेक्स्ट वन, soil. Soil also a renewable resource, so be renewable. See, which forms the top top layer of the earth's surface is essential for plants to grow and live. हम लोग को जानता है ना, we need a earth surface because we need the top layer of the soil. Why? Because all the plants grow the top layer of the soil. Okay. See, so our renewable resources are over. What are the renewable resources? What is mean by a renewable resources? The renewable resources are sources that never get used up as they are abundantly in the nature. So what are the natural resources? Air, water, sunlight, wind, forest, animals, soil. These are the renewable resources. They are abundantly in our nature. Okay, they never end up. So the second one is non-renewable resources. One we used it ended. Kadamoyega. Okay, it takes a long time, millions of years chahiye. Oh, renew hone ke liye. Okay, see this one. The non-renewable resources. What are they? Non-renewable resources are those resources that exist in the limited quantities and it takes a long time for them to be created. See, non-renewable resources are those resources that exist in a limited quantities. These are in a limited quantities, not in a abundantly. Opposite of abundant है, this one is a limited. Okay, थोड़ा है means हम लोग use किया खत्म हो गया. See, it takes a long time for them to create it. और create होने के लिए it takes a long time. It takes millions of years. Okay, so you underline what is the non-renewable resources? The non-renewable resources are those resources that exist in a limited quantities and it takes a long time for them to be created. That is a non-renewable resources. Okay, see, their supply is slowly getting over. इसका supply धीरे 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 खत्म होके आता है. हम लोग यूज करने से ज्यादा यूज होने से भी धीरे धीरे it is getting slowly क्या होएगा? Slowly getting over. See, they are also known as exhaustible resources. इसको धीरे धीरे खत्म होता है. These resources are known as exhaustible resources. Okay, that is non-renewable resources. Some example of non-renewable resources are coal, petroleum, metals, minerals, oil and gas. What are the non-renewable resources? Everyone underline it. That point. So coal, petroleum, metals, minerals, oil and gas. These are the non-renewable resources. Okay, and see, coal, natural gas and petroleum are called a fossil fuels. इसमें ये these are the non-renewable. What are they? Petroleum, metals, minerals, oil and gas. These are इसमें क्या है? Coal, natural gas and petroleum are called a fossil fuels. These three are fossil fuels. These are get from the fossils of plants and animals. Okay, a dead animals, dead plants, they decaying it, वो decay करके क्या है, खराब होके उसका waste होएगा, वो उसमें से this petroleum, coal and natural gas are made. Okay, see, so coal, natural gas and petroleum are called a what? Fossil fuels. Okay, when plants and animals die, with time their remains get buried under the earth. सी, हम लोग को एक एरा था डायनासोर का, है ना, वो एरा हो गया, मीन्स वो सारा मर गया. दे गेट दे डीकेइंग इट, वो खराब हो गया, उसका फॉसिल्स, उसका वेस्ट सारा मिक्स हो गया सोइल का साथ, एंड दे बरीड अंडर द सोइल, सो वी गेट द fossil fuels. What are they? What are the fossil fuels? Coal, natural gas and petroleum. Okay, see, they are pressed further into the ground and after many years become fossil fuels. A plants, dead animals, dead plants so buried under the ground, after it take a long time, it makes a fuel fossils. Okay.